Okay, you guys can help me?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Happy birthday, Daddy! Yay! Happy birthday, Daddy! How old are you, Daddy?
41.
You looking good, Daddy. I think you look really good.
Which one do you guys want? Which one do you want, Nana?
I want that.
Okay, you take that one. Braxton, which one do you want?
Wrong, man. This one?
Tyler, which one do you want? Huh?
What do you
Which
want?
one do you want? Tyler, which one you want? You want this one or this one?
These things melt down into the candle.
You want that one?
Yep, get that one.
Tyler, you want this one or this one?
Ooh. You just want all the candles? Braxton, is it yummy?
Mm-hmm.
Where's your shirt at? You sitting with your back?
Tyler, which one you want? You want this one or this one? That's this one? Here you
You
go.
want that one? Is that the right one, Talon?
You can have that one.
Okay, here.
Oh, and I also forgot to do this.
Yeah, can you pull out the seat, Mom? That one, that one. Get in your seat, Tyler. Come on, let's get in your seat. Come on. Here. No. Eat that.
Are you watching the Hulk? Are you watching the Hulk?